Hello. Welcome to my channel Past and Present. The Industrial Revolution was a period of significant economic and social change that took place between the late 18th and early 19th centuries, primarily in Britain. It marked the transition from manual labor-based production methods to machine-based manufacturing processes, resulting in increased productivity, economic growth, and improved standards of living. The key factors that drove the Industrial Revolution included the availability of new sources of energy, such as coal and steam, that powered the machines. The development of new technologies, such as the spinning jenny, power loom, and steam engine, that increased efficiency and productivity. The growth of transportation systems, such as railroads and canals, that allowed for faster and cheaper transportation of goods. The expansion of trade, both domestically and globally, that created new markets for goods and services. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on the world, transforming economies, societies, and politics. It led to increased urbanization and the growth of factories, as well as the creation of new jobs and industries. However, it also had negative consequences, such as pollution, social inequality, and working conditions that were often harsh and dangerous. Overall, the Industrial Revolution played a major role in shaping the modern world and remains a significant turning point in history. Thanks for watching our channel Past and Present. Do like and subscribe and press the ring button for more interesting videos.